Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Speak with Neha, and today topic is most important for you. This topic, why think to in English is most important. So let's get, you are a English learner, so this video is for you. So let's get started. Think is a make fluenter, and when you think in English, so your hesitation will be down and you are make fluent. And you think in English is don't waste your time and smoothly speak, and thinking is faster, and anything you make fast in English language, you don't translate to your native language in this English, so it's most important for you. And number two, no more translate in your head. When you are speak, when you are more one big mistake many learners first think in our language and translate into the English, so it's a big mistake many learners, and then say you're done with slowly and not make fluenter in English language. So then and when you speak, when you think in English, and then you will make faster and no confusion, and your grammar is be so high and everything is must be better than according to thinking your native language. So and number three and number three, you listen and understanding English. So when you are train your brain in thinking English, and when and how to train to your brain think in English. So let's listen to me. You started a listen podcast and English movies, English drama, English comedy videos, and English cartoon is the most help your train to in English language in your mind. And then this video understanding help your every sentence and everything you understand in English language is most important, is most important listen and understanding English. And number five, you build confidence thinking when your mind think in English, so confidence and speak naturally and without any hesitation with speak any other places, and because you already your mind in thinking English, so speak English speak is so easily for you, and your hesitation will be lower and down totally, so you already feel comfortable and naturally. And number five, English is a skill, is global language and is the most important. Now learn you speak English, then any other place is going to and want your job. First of all, ask about you know about English, so that you are confused there what I'm doing now, and that your job is be lost in your hands, so you understand speak English is most important. And as for example, a job, any career decided, and school studies and traveler any other places, this won't be so many ask about your English. And number six, you make build think in English habits is most important. You are not born on speak English, so this is a decide for your own self helpful think in English is most important. So start now what to and think in English today is from today, so is very helpful your job, your career, any situation, and any other career decided in your mind, so is the most important. So this video is very helpful for you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Then bye bye, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.